My name is Xingzheng Lu. I'm working in Tsinghua University as a full professor, and I also the head of Institute of Disaster Prevention and Mitigation of this university. I'm one of the authors of Encyclopedia of Earthquake Engineering. Earthquake are a serious threat to the safety of buildings and cities. So understanding the mechanism of earthquake damage to the buildings and structures is especially critical to develop an effective way to reduce the consequence of earthquake. Especially consider the rapid construction of super tall buildings in China and the urbanization in China. This problem is very critical. However, currently we don't understand what will happen if a big earthquake strikes a super tall building or city. We don't know which method will be the most effective to reduce the consequence of earthquake. And also, we don't know how to make the non-professional people, like the government or administration, to understand what the damage of earthquake to the city. So all this demand encourage us to do the study, especially on the collapse simulation of super tall buildings and the scenario simulation for the city areas to develop an effective way to mitigate the consequence of earthquake. I have participated in the design of several real-world super tall buildings in China, and I also participated in many emergency response of earthquake disaster in China. All these activities provide understand the importance of collapse simulation of super tall buildings and disaster simulation of city areas. Also, particularly, the outcome of our research and the application of our research have shown the important application possibility of this technique. For example, the application of technology in some real super tall buildings have saved tens of thousands of materials. So this shows the promising and bright future of this technology. Because this activity has been recognized by the editor of this handbook, so I was invited to join the publication of the book, and I'm pleased to distribute this knowledge to all the community in this area. We believe that this technique of this book will have good benefit to the whole research community. Before our work, the collapse simulation and nonlinear time history analysis are focused on some simple structures. And our work shows the possibility or feasibility of use technology for collapse simulation of super tall buildings and for the time history of simulation of tens of thousands of the city area, different buildings. So this will provide a very powerful technique, a methodology for people to research on the related area and provide the methodology for them to validate different disaster mitigation techniques. Not only provide accurate simulation, a prediction of damage to city areas and structures, but also provide an easy to understand technique for non-professional users like a government or city administration to know the consequence of earthquake and know the effect of different mitigation methods to reduce the damage of earthquake.